Top tourist attractions in Seychelles. Ansi Source d'Argent. Let's begin with the stunning Ansi Source d'Argent, a beach with towering granite boulders, calm waters, and sunsets. If you're into paradise vibes, this is it. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Cousin Island. Next up, Cousin Island, a nature reserve and birdwatchers' haven. Home to rare species like the Seychelles warbler and hawksbill turtles. You have to see it to believe it. Curious Island. Have you ever dreamed of hanging out with giant tortoises? On Curious Island, you can do just that. Plus, there's a gorgeous beach waiting for you afterwards. Mae's beaches. On Mae, the beaches are out of this world. Ansi de Camaca and Ansi Intendants are just a few that'll make you want to stay forever. Sainte Anne Marine National Park. Divers and snorkelers, this one's for you. Sainte Anne Marine National Park is a total underwater wonderland. You'll be swimming with colorful fish, vibrant corals and more. La Digue Island. Charming, laid back, and oh so beautiful. La Digue Island is the perfect place to kick back. If you want to escape to the Seychelles of your dreams, this is it. Mont Seychelles National Park. Love a good hike? Mont Seychelles National Park is calling your name. Hiking up this lush mountain gives you some of the best views on the island. Aldabra Atoll. Time to venture off the beaten path to Aldabra Atoll, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Home to the world's largest tortoises and untouched nature, this place is as wild as it gets. Port Launay Marine Park. Thalasophiles, get ready to explore Port Launay Marine Park, one of Seychelles' best snorkeling spots. Swim with tropical fish and vibrant corals in calm, protected waters. Ansi Lazio. Last but not least, Ansi Lazio, a beach with crystal clear water, palm trees, and powder soft sand. If there was ever a place to live the island dream, this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.